Are you seeking a fresh look that blends boldness with elegance? Discover hairstyles that not only set trends, but also empower your daily routine. Choppy layers bring dynamic lightness and bold style to thicker hair. The feathered pixie adds playful texture and quick flair to your look. The fringed bowl cut dazzles with its daring, eye-catching contours. Chin-length layers offer vibrant style and elegant simplicity. The asymmetrical fringe delivers a modern and distinctive charm. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.